Hello everyone, welcome back. This is one of the videos explaining various parts of COVID-19 tracker. Today I'm gonna go over the portal of the COVID-19 tracker .org's uh, functionalities. So without further ado, let me go into COVID-19 tracker. So as you can see, the URL is covid19tracker.org. Once you hit it, you will be prompted to enter your user ID and password. Again, this account is free for anyone to apply and get. With that user ID, you can sign in. Also, we provided actually four mocked sandbox environment for you to just play with. So it starts with the test 1 and test 2, 3, 4. So each one of them kind of mimics different use cases. First one is a healthcare system. Second one is community. Third one is a school district. Fourth one is corporations. So with that said, let me sign in school district scenario. So anyone can use the same password. The temporary password that we share with you can work with all these four accounts. So let me sign in. Upon signing in, you will be seeing the dashboard. This is the overview of what's going on. So for the organization that you own or you oversee, for this case, school district, you can see how many cases are there. And then also as we're going to go in detail on this task management aspect of it. Each case, you can create a task and assign to a people to take an action. So those are the tasks, and as a user, I have a 15. There are 15 tasks created, and three of them are assigned to me as a user, and then I can anyway. So we will cover that in another video. So let me just briefly go over the menu or the big buckets of information here. So the first one you will see is this triage reports. This is actually a landing place or the queue that anonymous reports of people, your community, I would say school district, parents, students, whoever, can report saying that, hey, I'm coming down with these symptoms and I'm afraid I might be, having COVID-19 symptoms. They can actually report that through their mobile apps. So without me just doing one thing, let me actually briefly show you how mobile app looks. You can go to App Store. You actually have to look for Kokomo 247, and if you do so, you'll be able to download this COVID-19 Tracker ARS. So what we are envisioning is that you can advertise this to be used by your community to report, saying, hey, I want to report that I'm coming down with the symptoms. People can actually pinpoint where they are, or be unknown, anonymized. For me, I'm just gonna keep an address, and then here I can report saying that, hey, I'm having hard time breathing. I actually came from overseas and the fever is here, and then I even have a cough. So doing so, and then you can again specify time and date, but I will just pass by. And then also you can attach videos or picture. You're envisioning you can potentially take a photo of thermometer to prove that you are having fever, etc. And then again, it is by default anonymous, but you can actually sign up, enter your information, and actually send them saying that, hey, I am Daniel Lee and I'm sick, kind of thing. So as soon as I report that into the mock school district, let me actually move away from the app. I'm actual school district here. So if I refresh, the report that comes in to here, and then you can actually, as an organizer, you can view and take an action. So that's the like a public facing external reports are coming in. However, that's not really, that is different than the cases that you actually want to manage. That's the case management bucket. This is the bucket of cases that you want to manage. For testing, we created many test cases. Let's say assume in your community, in your school district, there are 15 cases, and these are the ones. And then you can actually see the situational awareness in a map that where those are, and then you can see some details. Or you can just open up one of these guys. So let me open it. Again, this is a full-blown case management system with task management system with compliance. It tracks every single updates, information that's entered, who viewed, and everything here, so that in the future, in later time, if you wanna look up what had happened to this case, you basically have the whole paper trail left. So again, this functionality feature alone is deserves a couple more videos. So I'm gonna go in detail, but later in other videos. But these are the bucket of information that you can store, and also this function, this feature has the notification, and also you can keep track of locations updates, so that you can actually see where this person had been, etc. And then as I mentioned, you can create a task and assign to other people. So I'm gonna stop right there because a lot of features. Situational awareness. This is where the map that you saw in the case management system, bottom of it. This is your specialized authentic. This is secure information, and that has a lot of information that you can view and get to the case. However, what we are envisioning is that if you choose, you can share with your community how many cases are there that you are handling, so that people don't have to call you or keep on inquiring, how are we doing, and things like that. So every account, as an owner of the organization, you will have a unique URL, which I can show you later, but actually let me show you. So this is your unique link code, and you can actually advertise that to your public with this vanity vanity URL that people from your community can check. Oh, there are X amount of cases that our school district is handling. So I think this is a good. One more thing. So I show you the anonymous reporting app. This whole application, you saw the case management and whatnot. We have a separate mobile application called Kokomo IMS. I signed in, and basically all the dashboard that you saw, you have a mobile version of it. You can actually see all the cases. You can actually also see the tasks assigned to you, etc. So again, there's gonna be another video explaining how to utilize the mobile app, basically enabling your organization to be mobile workforce enabled. So with that said, I'm gonna this will be a wrap of this video. Look for more videos coming down. Again, my name is Daniel Lee. I am CTO and geek of Kokomo Solutions, who's sponsoring or making this COVID-19 tracker application for free. Thank you.